Clear Broad, North Dallas, 2024 GX 550 OverTrail Plus. Full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus with the Ultimate Plus black PPF added here and here. We did a previous video with these in atomic silver. The rooftop comes optional for all the models, I believe, OverTrail Plus and the premiums or the luxuries. But if not, anyway, we continued the black PPF, so it's still a self-healing product, no waxing, doesn't stain. And then we did this piece and this piece. These were the atomic silver. So if you get a like vehicle, whatever color it is, the black hood is a nice option to get an overall look on how it looks with the black continued. And believe it or not, we're gonna go ahead and continue that black just down these last two pieces of the tailgate. That one and this one. We're removing the GX 550 and the Lexus emblems and just clean it up, make it his own thing. And yeah, it's a really nice vehicle. So let's look at our wrap again. I did it on the previous video. I'll give you just a quick tutorial. When we do, handles come off real easy. Everything's wrapped in, everything's under this seal, everything's under this seal, so we don't leave gaps. That's not good, we don't want that. These come off up here, real simple, so we can wrap all the way in here. Our black roof's all done in one section. And then coming down here, we have no rockers to do. The rockers are all plastic. When we did this fender, this simply pops back a little bit and all the film is underneath. So you won't see any evidence of film on any of this as it all gets wrapped in. Bumpers are all done. Everything's good. All the black accents we could do. Coming up here on this black piece hasn't been done, but we'll probably end up, we ceramic coated it, but we might come through here and do a custom something to protect it, because I have a feeling that plastic's not going to hold up too well. The window film, like I said, is XR Plus by Xpel, the highest heat rejection, 98% IR, 99 UV A and B. That's 15, and then limo in the back. Coming out more PPF work. Taillights come out super easy, all wrapped in. You don't even see any lines. We don't terminate here. It's underneath the light. Same thing with this panel. Comes right off easy, snaps back in. And we're gonna remove those today, remove that, and do these two pieces. Other than that, everything's clear on the atomic. All this is clear PPF, Xpel Ultimate Plus. Clear. The handles are clear because these were painted black from the factory. And then coming over here, this was added, like I said, in black PPF, and then this is all gloss. So we're gonna adjust that for this person today. We're gonna put the two black pieces back here and here, and then he has what he wants. And it's kind of fun because as you go, you think of these things, and we're here to help the client and with what their vision is, and that's what we ended up with. So he's definitely gonna be one of a kind on the Ultimate or the OverTrail Plus. And you'll definitely know his vehicle when he sees it. So there it is, clearbroadnorthdallas.com, 214-414-3809. And you can also reach me on a cell if you need to text, 940-703-8301. Take care, have a great day. Thanks for following us.